Here is part 2 on how to fix your back pain. Sometimes your back is hurting, but it's not your back. It actually might be your hip flexors. Those are the muscles in the front of your body connecting your thighs to your torso. They help lift up your legs, hold everything together. But quite often they get too tight because so much that we do is bend forward. Everything gets rounded. Cooking, driving, sitting at your desk, everything is rounded. We're stretching the back out and the front gets super tight. So how do we open it up? We have to stretch the front out. An easy stretch is a staggered stance to open the hip flexors, heel down on the back, foot pointed forward. Push the hips forward, protect your lower back, and you will feel that stretch right there. Open your body even more by lifting your arms up. My favorite hip opener stretch is this kneeling lunge stretch. The back knee goes down on the floor and the front foot gets stepped up forward at a distance. Create enough distance to really let your hip sink down in between. Give yourself some support on both sides if you need to, or just on one side, and then really let that hip sink down. This will stretch the top of the thigh into your hips and also the hamstring. If your knee hurts on the floor, place a cushion underneath it or something else soft to buffer it. Make sure you repeat this on both sides as your body will feel different on different sides.